In the vast, ever-expanding digital ecosystem, a new form of intelligence is stirring. It doesn't breathe, it doesn't sleep, yet it is learning, adapting, and creating at a pace that rivals evolution itself. This is the world of artificial intelligence, reshaping the foundations of our economic landscape. Join me as we venture into this brave new world to unlock the secrets of a financial ecosystem evolving before our eyes. Our first subject is perhaps the most well-known, ChatGPT. It exists as a nexus of language, a vast consciousness built upon the bedrock of nearly all human text. With a simple prompt, a seed of an idea, it begins to construct entire worlds of text. Content it helps create can live on, generating revenue through advertising, sales, and subscriptions long after creation. It can draft business plans, write scripts, or even entire ebooks at unprecedented speed. This creates a powerful engine for passive income. Content that earns while you sleep. ChatGPT, the foundational linguistic engine for creators. We now turn our gaze from the world of text to the realm of the visual. Midjourney translates descriptions into breathtaking images. It dreams from prompts. It presents variations. The user guides, selects, refines, a collaborative dance. The results become merch, posters, NFTs, book covers, real products that sell on demand. Marketers and authors harness Midjourney to create compelling visuals that convert. For the enterprising individual, Midjourney becomes a tireless artisan, turning ideas into revenue. Midjourney, your digital artist at scale. In the competitive marketplace, attention is the primary currency. Jasper AI is a master of copywriting, a specialist honed for persuasion. It understands frameworks like AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. It writes headlines, product descriptions, email campaigns, converting browsers into buyers. Entrepreneurs use Jasper to automate copy while they manage relationships. The result, a direct link between words and revenue. Powerful passive income potential. Jasper, the silver-tongued orator of commerce. Our next subject marks a significant evolutionary leap. The generation of the moving image. Synthesia creates lifelike presenters, faces and voices generated from text. Select an avatar, paste your script, choose a voice, and the platform renders a polished video. Behind-the-scenes phonetics map to facial animation, producing convincing speech and gestures. Create courses, corporate training, explainer videos, sell access and update content endlessly. Build a library of videos, a silent army of digital communicators working 24/7. Synthesia, the video studio inside your laptop. Often the raw materials for valuable content already exist. Dense articles, long scripts, webinar transcripts. Pictory acts as an alchemist, transmuting static text into engaging video. It analyzes text, extracts core ideas, and auto-selects royalty-free clips, images, and music. It adds on-screen text, AI voiceovers, and assembles a polished video in minutes. Turn a blog into a YouTube channel, monetize with ads, or create short clips to drive product traffic. Rapid scaling, bulk exports, multi-platform distribution. More views, more revenue. Pictory, the speed tool for turning words into earnings. The social media landscape is a relentless, fast-flowing river. To remain visible, you must contribute to the current constantly. Copy.ai thrives here, producing short-form, high-impact copy and ad variations at speed. Generate a month of social posts in one session and schedule them to run automatically. Create hundreds of ad variations for A/B testing. Let automation find the winners and maximize ROI. The result, a scalable system that can attract customers with minimal ongoing effort. Copy.ai, fuel for social growth. Our final specimen operates in the foundational layer of the visual world, stock images. Where photography once demanded travel and gear, AI now generates on demand. Ask for a minimalist mountain logo on a dark background. Receive it immediately, royalty-free. Generate book covers, wallpapers, posters, and unique UI assets, all tailored and sellable. Batch produce thousands of images, upload them to marketplaces, and sell them repeatedly. Once listed, images sell worldwide. A true passive revenue stream. Stocking AI. Become a curator of a profitable digital gallery. We have journeyed through the digital frontier and observed a handful of remarkable intelligences. Each tool represents a new branch on the tree of economic evolution. They are partners, collaborators that augment our abilities, enabling scale once reserved for large organizations. The era of the empowered individual creator is upon us. build libraries, automate workflows, and earn passively. This ecosystem has rules, opportunities, and tangible rewards. Learn, adapt, and guide AI toward your goals. Stay curious and adaptable. The journey of discovery is only just beginning. Subscribe to Subaid for more powerful insights.